This video will continue doing algebra from geometry. It's a slightly harder problem, but not terrible. So as always, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. First, measure of angle LKJ is 98 degrees. Angle LKJ is 98 degrees. So let's put that on the diagram. So the two questions, find x and does ray KH bisect angle LKJ here. Now some students will be tempted, since they see the word bisect right there, they will set the measure of angle LKH equal to the measure of angle HKJ, assuming that it is. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. If you assume that it is and it's not, it's wrong. If you assume that it is and it is, then you got lucky. Now what we do know is that the measure of angle LKH and the measure of angle HKJ add to 98. Therefore, x squared plus 6x plus 7 equals 98. As you remember from algebra, to solve a quadratic, you get everything on one side, 0 on the other. So x squared plus 6x minus 91 is 0. It's a bit tricky to factor, but it's not terrible. We have x plus 13 and x minus 7. 13 times negative 7 is negative 91. 13 minus 7 is 6. So that gives us negative 13 and 7 for our solutions. And if you've seen other videos, you'll know by now, always plug your solutions for x back into the diagram to check them. So what we have here, negative 13. Negative 13 squared is 169. That would be 169 degrees. Negative 13 times 6 is negative 78 plus 7 would be negative 71 degrees. Now, 169 minus 71 is 98, but you cannot have a negative angle measure. So negative 13 is an extraneous solution. Next, we will plug in 7. 7 squared is 49. Now 7 times 6 is 42, plus 7 is also 49 degrees. So then we can see 49 plus 49 is 98. So that is for x. So now we've found our x. Now second question, does ray KH bisect angle LKJ? It does, because if a ray bisects an angle, it divides it into two congruent angles, 49 degrees here, 49 degrees here. Angle LKH and angle LKJ are congruent.